So in this scenario, we have to make this closed comment fields on the opportunity record page available for users to enter comments when opportunity stage is closed, won, or closed, lost. All right. So let me pull up an opportunity record. So currently we don't have this functionality. If you open any opportunity and we don't have that closed comments field here yet. So we have to create that field first. And then we have to make that field dynamically appear when the stage is closed won or closed lost. Okay, closed won or closed lost. So let's go ahead and configure that. We will first create that field on the opportunity. It's going to be a text field. Click next. Let's give it a closed comment. Next, adding it to all the page layouts. And then from here, while we're on this opportunity record, we will click on the setup and then click on edit page. And then here we have to configure that filter so that it can dynamically get displayed. Let's go to the details section, and the closed comment field is here, as you can see. Now we have to add a filter here. Currently, we're not able to add the filter because we have to first upgrade this to dynamic forms. And when you click here, you get this prompt. We have to click here. First, we need to upgrade it to dynamic form and then configure that filter. So I have multiple page layouts for opportunity, and it is asking me a question. Choose the page layout that contains the fields and sections that you want to migrate. If your page supports both desktop and phone, we add record detail mobile component to page along with the fields and sections from the page layout. So our field is on this page layout, and all the other fields that we created so far, they're mostly on this page layout. That's why I'm selecting this option so that all the necessary fields I need can get migrated. I'll click on finish. It got upgraded to dynamic form. This is what we needed. And then I will come to this closed comments field down here. All right, click on it. And then this window opens, and there we are going to set a filter. I will click on add filter, and that field needs to get displayed when the stage is equal to closed won. Okay, that's one filter. And it also needs to get displayed when that stage equals to closed lost. It needs to get displayed when either of these conditions are true. So right now it is configured to be displayed. It's asking us, this setting makes this field to display when both are true. But that's not going to be a valid case because opportunity stage cannot be closed won and closed lost at the same time, right? That's why this is not a correct configuration. We're going to change this to make this display whenever any of these conditions are true. Okay, any filters are true. Whenever any of this filter is true, meaning whenever if this stage is closed won or closed lost, then displayed. So we'll click on save. Save without required fields. Now, we don't want to do this. There are some fields that are required for opportunity that are not yet on this opportunity record page. Okay, so let's click on save. It says one required fields are missing from this page. If you save this page without required fields and the missing required fields don't have values, users can't save a record after creating, editing, or cloning it. I'm going to go ahead and save it. And if I run into the issue, then it will come back and fix it. Okay. So changes are saved. Okay. Save this. And we'll go back. Let's see the activation. Let's see to which, how it has been assigned. So it has been assigned as org default. All right. And close. We'll navigate back. Let's check our details section and closed comments. We don't see the closed comments here yet. Okay, let's make that edit and set this stage to closed one. Sorry to interrupt, the page has an error. You might just need to refresh it. Okay, I'll refresh this. Let's set this to closed one. All right, not sure why that's getting constantly displayed. All right, now closed comments is here. A closed comments field is here. And then we can now drop our comments. All right, and then save. Save. All right. So if we also, let's now on the stage, change that to negotiation review, and that gets hidden. All right. So again, let me try this again. So I am setting that stage to closed lost this time. And here we have this closed comments field. And I can drop a comment saying lost the contract due to competition. Let's save.